10 pranayams. Everyone must do these 7 pranayams and especially 3, Ujjayi, Sheetali and Sitkari. Now we'll tell you a few asanas. Along with pranayams, asanas are also very necessary. All children can do these pranayams and asanas also, which are very simple. For example, small children, 3-year-old children, everyone can do butterfly. Before doing asanas, some minor exercises are to be done. All children can do it. 3-year-old child can do it. 5-year-old child can do it. With these, there will be flexibility in the legs. In minor exercises, all children must do butterfly. And secondly, Skandha Chalan. Butterfly, Titli exercise, and then this. Keeping both the hands on the shoulder like this and turn it like this. Make a big circle. Clockwise, then opposite direction. Do it in opposite direction. Make a big circle. Elbows should touch in the front. From both sides like this. This exercise for shoulders. Some children are afflicted with diseases, like many children suffer from the problem of hydrocele. In this, Kapalabhati is certainly beneficial. Along with it, Gomukhasan should also be done. Gomukhasan and Garudasan. Both these asanas are specially beneficial for children. These asana practices are being told for children from 3 years to 12 years. And today we'll explain 12 asanas. Those children who are suffering from hydrocele problem, for them Gomukhasan and Garudasan. Both these asanas will be beneficial and Kapalabhati pranayam. Then children will not have to be operated for hydrocele. Gomukhasana, very simple asana. Both the feet up front. Turn the left leg. And after turning on the left leg, sit on its ankle like this. Right leg on top of the left leg. Keep it in such a way that both knees are together and left leg is touching the right leg all through. Along with left leg, the right leg ankle should also touch like this. This is Gomukhasan. Right knee is on the top. Lift your right hand and left hand from behind. Look in the front. Breath inside. Elbow of the upper hand touching the head close to the ear. Gomukhasan. Do it for 1 to 2 minutes. Start every asana from half a minute to 1 minute and maximum for 2 minutes. This is Gomukhasana. Those children who urinate at night or those children with hydrocele problem, especially for those children whose testicles grow large, do Gomukhasana. Now with the other leg. Sit on the right leg. Keep left leg on the top. From outside its ankle, it should touch the thighs. So this specially useful asana, especially for children. Gomukhasana. Those children suffering from hydrocele, enlarged testicles, they become large. Then for that Gomukhasana and Kapalabhati pranayam. Make them do Kapalabhati pranayam. For children many children suffer from hernia from childhood itself. Hernia will also subside, but first they must tie a cloth. And Garudasana, especially for children. In standing position, keep your right leg still, then turn your left leg around and press it inside the right leg like this. Right leg is still. Take the left leg from front and press it inside the right leg like this. And both the hands in Namaskar posture like this. Similarly with the other leg. Yoga practice especially for children. Yogasana. We are going to tell you 12 asanas. We've told you 2 asanas just now. Gomukhasana and Garudasan.